Hi there. In the previous lecture, we talked about functions and the predefined functions we had in Python. We learned about all sorts of functions, bool, dir, help, etc. In this video, we'll be learning about files. Before we get to opening files, creating them, writing to them, reading to them, we first have to create a file of our own. So, for Mac machines, follow me. First, go to your Spotlight. Spotlight is the search symbol or the magnifying glass at the top right of your machine. You can also access it by doing the command spacebar. Search for text edit, and click enter. Your text edit should appear. I'm going to say done, open text edit. It should say new document. Alright. Now, before we start writing anything in this document, we first have to change its format. So go up to your top bar and click on Format, and then go down and say Make Plain Text. Right. Before writing, Command S or Save As and just call it Test. Make sure that this is selected. If no extension is provided, use the .txt because that's what we will be using to call our file, test.txt. I'm saving mine in the documents. You can save it somewhere else, but make sure you know where it's saved. Alright, click save. Now let's add a few lines. Hello, my name is Avinash. I'm 14 years old. Mary had a little lamb. Her fleece as white as snow. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Alright, so this is a text document. It has a good amount of lines. Command S to save it. Nice. Now let's close it or let's minimize it. Go to your Finder, and in Finder go to your documents. Let me expand this. And in the documents, you should be able to see a test.txt. If you right click and say get info, you should be able to see where, and this is important. So command C this, we'll be using this in our next lecture. Awesome. Close this, let's minimize out of this. Nice. In this lecture, all we did is we created our text file, which we'll be using in the following lectures. In the next lecture, I plan to open our file and read off our file in Python. See you then.